What's up, you guys? It's your girl CC back with another video. If you are new here, hey, consider subscribing and becoming part of the family. If you've been here, what's up? So glad you came back. We have a great video planned today. We are boondocking for our very first time. We just arrived at Nooherooka Natural Farms in Snow Hill, North Carolina. And so far, it has been amazing. So I can't wait to take you guys on our adventure today. It's just a short stop. We're stopping here. And then tomorrow, we continue on our adventure for the Thanksgiving holiday. So that's going to be in next week's video. But make sure you guys tune in so you don't miss anything. It's absolutely beautiful out here. And this sun got my skin popping, if I do say so myself. So our host said that she would come back in about an hour to escort us to the general store. But I am looking forward to it. I think the boys are inside playing Connect 4. Trying to keep Grayson busy, but let me show you guys the barn. All right, y'all, so we have our coats on and we are ready to walk this farm. So let's go. Did you ask her what's her name?
Mary Betty.
Mary Betty. Miss Mary Betty.
And your name is Grayson?
Grayson, she's talking to you. Your name is Grayson?
Yes. Do you go to school, Grayson? Yes. You do? Glad to have you on the farm.
Thank you.
Yeah. How far did you walk? Down to the pond?
No, we only made it to the cows.
So now the pond past the pigs?
Yeah, the pond's past the pigs.
Oh, so we didn't make it that far yet.
Oh, okay.
Let me go back.
I'm gonna get some honey. You know I'm ready.
Yeah, this size.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think this is nice.
You like the honey?
Right. We raise our own beef and pork.
Okay.
We do carry chickens from a farm called Brittany Ridge.
Okay.
And they also provide rabbit and quail and pheasant when in season. All right, you want to go now? It's really cold, and we're gonna get. You want to hold the basket? Okay, you take the basket. You'll be a little Red Riding Hood. How about that? Yes, sir. Okay, put your stuff right up there. This if you cook it, if you're gonna take it home and cook it, do it in a slow cooker.
Okay.
And cook it with red wine. Oh, it's
Red
okay.
wine, okay.
Oh, scared me. Yeah, I don't put water in mine. I just put red wine. Whatever's left over from somebody being here, or whatever kind you like.
Okay.
Merlot's good. Whatever type of red wine you like. And you'll love this. Yeah, and I just all I do is just heat it enough to render the fat.
Okay, guys, we just got back from the general store, so I cannot wait to throw the stuff on a grill or in the crock pot. But I'll let you guys know when I do, because you know we be cooking in this RV. And speaking of cooking in the RV, if you haven't watched my previous videos cooking in the RV with me, check them out. All right, let's continue this adventure. So it was explained to me earlier that these are actually the babies of the cows that I'm about to show you guys after this. But these guys are the babies, and the cows are actually having babies, as not literally as we speak, but they are in the season of delivery. So you'll see a couple pregnant mamas and some baby calves over here as well.
Baby cow?
Yeah, you see the baby cows?
Yeah.
Like you're my baby?
Yeah.
They have baby cows too.
That's the big daddy cow right here.
And that's the daddy cow.
He usually wants to get up here and let me pet on him, but he's kind of shy today.
You petting the pool?
You want to pet him? If he comes over here, look.
Ooh.
Yeah. Got a smile out of him now.
Hey, handsome. They want to know what you are. You pet him? Here with the cows at Nooherooka Farm. But let's go see the pigs. Made it. So we saw the cows, we saw the pigs, we're about to go see the pond, and then I think we're gonna call it a night and go hang out in a camper and cook dinner. So let's go. You gonna make a wish with mommy? And then you gotta blow. Ready? Yep. Blow. Good job. High five.
I didn't know one.
Okay. So, one of the things that they also have at this farm is a barn. I don't know if you guys can see the barn behind me, but in this barn you can host a wedding, a baby shower. It's absolutely gorgeous. Let me take you guys inside. guys, well, it is Sunday morning, and it is time for us to say goodbye to Nooherooka Farms. Our time here has been amazing. We've had a great experience, and you guys should definitely come check it out. We woke up, it was a tad bit chilly, but we popped on that generator and everything was a-okay. If you're in Snow Hill area in North Carolina, be sure to check these guys out. Everybody was wonderful. Our hosts were amazing. The animals are friendly. They're all naturally fed. I'll leave a link to Nooherooka Natural Farms in the description box. Make sure you guys check them out. Show some love and support and let them know that CC sent you. This video drops on Thanksgiving, so I just want to say happy Thanksgiving from my family to yours. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.